In today's video, I will be sharing 2 garden pea stews recipe with you. Very easy, quick, and of course, as usual, very delicious. Without wasting too much of your time, let's get started with recipe number 1. We're going to need some blended ginger, garlic, and onion, 2 tins of garden peas, 290 grams each, red onions, this is my chicken wings right here, 3 tablespoons of tomato puree, all-purpose seasoning, about a tablespoon, and also a tablespoon of garlic powder. I'm going in now in my heated oil with the tomato puree. I'm going to cook this for 2 to 3 minutes, and I will be adding the blended ingredients. I bring the sauce to a very low heat to avoid the sauce to be splashed everywhere. It's time to add the garlic powder and the all-purpose seasoning. Stir gently and let this cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Now it's time to add the chicken wings, followed by the peas. Lower the heat and stir this gently. If you like your stew on the spicier side, add a little bit of crushed chili, which I'm going to do right now, and I'm going to add as well the onions and add some other vegetables. I will be using only carrots, but remember, it's your kitchen, your rules. But if you don't like pepper, just skip that part. I'm going in now with the chicken wings, and I will be adding as well some carrots. After that, I don't need to leave this on the stove for too long because everything is cooked already. As you can see, the carrot is also cooked. So in 2 minutes, I'm going to switch the stove off. If you're new here, I hope you are enjoying my content. If that is the case and you don't want to miss out on my delicious recipes, kindly subscribe. I'm going to still test this for the last time and see if I need a little bit of salt. After checking, I noticed no salt needed, so everything is perfect. I'm sure you noticed this is another very easy recipe to make, especially when you are super tired but you want something very tasty for yourself, your family, or your friends. So our stew, as you can see now, is so ready and very inviting as usual. I'm going to pair it with rice, but feel free to pair this with some baguette. And if you don't want to use chicken wings, you can just make your stew without it. Just add more vegetables, or you can also use beef or chicken breast for this recipe. Now I'm just going to add 1 egg, which you don't have to add, but I love sometimes having, this with some eggs, so I just added 1, and you can see how inviting this garden pea stew is. And I'm going to share the vegetarian option with you, which is also very easy to make, and you can pair it again with rice, or you can pair it with baguette. If you are still here with me, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and keep watching. For the second recipe, we're going to use 2 cans of garden peas, 5 carrots, 1 red onion, red and green bell pepper. I'm going in now with the oil, heat it up 4 to 5 minutes, and add about 1.5 tablespoons of tomato puree and cook it for a few minutes. After that, add the blended tomato, ginger, garlic, and onion, followed by a teaspoon of ginger, garlic, and onion powder. Stir gently and add the rest of the fresh ingredients. We'll be going in with the carrots because it takes longer to cook. So I'm adding the chopped onions, the peppers, and now the carrots. The garden peas will be the last to go in because it's already cooked and you don't want it to be all mashed up by the time the stew is ready. So make sure you add it last minute. I need to add a little bit of oil and salt, so make sure you check it out. If you need a little bit of salt, add it. And now it's time to add the garden peas. If today is your first time coming across my channel, please do me a big favor. If you're enjoying the recipe, subscribe so you can be notified when I drop a new recipe. And thanks so much to all my returning subscribers. You guys know how much I appreciate you. Don't forget to drop a comment as well. Let me know if you're going to pair this with rice or you're going to pair it with a baguette. Now you can go for the one with the chicken wings or the one with vegetables only. I would love to know which one is your favorite. It's time now to garnish the stew with some spring onions and it will be ready to serve. Looking really good. If you don't want to use spring onions, you can use parsley as well. It will do the job. Quick, easy, and very cheap to make. And now it's time to serve the food. First option again is rice, and then the second option is with a baguette. Would you pair this with a baguette or just a plain rice? And there you have it. Our rice and garden pea stew is ready, and as usual, you guys are invited. You can grab a fork or a spoon to join me right here. Midunulo in Togo, meaning you are invited. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next one. Take care for now, and don't forget to try the recipe and let me know what you think. And as usual, it was so delicious. See you all in my next one. Bye for now. Au revoir.